gotta go.
Oh!
To our 2K. Let's go!
Guys, we recently stayed at the Hamptoninn Anaheim Resort Convention Center. There is another Hamptoninn Suites that's nearby, but this one is close to the convention center. It's on the corner of Catella and Hastur, 100 West Catella Avenue, and it's pretty close to the freeway, also right next door to the Toy Story parking lot, so you can easily take the shuttle for free right to the parks, or it's about a 20-minute walk. The resort was very clean, the staff was very friendly, and there's plenty of parking, so we never had to struggle for our parking spot. Okay guys, so we're in room 401 at Hamptoninn Suites. The lights. Immediately to the left is our bathroom. Plenty of towels outside. One sink. And then shower tub combo. That's that. And then as you come in the front door, you can slide the bathroom door and you have your standard closet with extra linen, a safe, and an iron and ironing board. For the king size bed, we have a king size with bunk beds and a sofa bed. So there's the king, there's the TV with storage. I think the fridge, there's a microwave there. Let's see. And then some storage and coffee maker. An ice bucket there. There's a desk with some lighting. And then a whole other bedroom space that looks like you can close it off. They've closed the doors. So kids can have some privacy, or you can have privacy in here. Then we have the bunk beds. And in this room, there's a TV in here also. And additional storage underneath, as well as the fridge. Nice mini fridge. A lot of times you don't see a fridge and a microwave in the room, so that's really convenient. So the room has, again, a king size bed, bunk beds, and then a sofa bed. So it really can sleep about 6 people. And this was our view of Catella. Here's our sofa bed. It sits right in front of the TV, so if you have kids, they can either do the bunk beds or they can do the pull-out sofa. And the hotel also has a complimentary breakfast, a hot breakfast. So there were eggs, potatoes, bacon, sausage, pancakes. They had some egg pizzas that were actually really, really good. Thank you guys for watching.
Hey, you like, comment,